Hola clase, bienvenidos. ¿Cómo están ustedes? ¿Están alegres? ¿Enojados? ¿Tristes? ¿Están sonriendo o llorando? ¿Están pensando? Deseo que están pensando. Hoy vamos a repasar todos. All right, ready? Vamos a contar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50. Buen trabajo. Vamos a repasar los colores. ¿De qué colores? Blanco, morado, azul, verde, rosado, café, negro, rojo, amarillo, anaranjado. Vamos a repasar nuestro cuerpo y también nuestra ropa. So, ¿qué es? Cabeza, pelo, ojos, orejas, nariz, boca, dientes, hombros. ¿Qué es esto? Una chaqueta. ¿Qué es esto? Mi estómago. Okay, now what am I wearing on my estómago? Un vestido, sí. ¿Qué son estos? Not my chaqueta, but my brazo, manos, dedos. ¿Cómo se dice legs? Piernas. Rodillas, feet are pies. What do we wear on our feet? Zapatos. Are you guys wearing calcetines? No tengo calcetines hoy, pero tienes. ¿Qué es estos? ¿Qué son estos? Kind of pantalones. If you're wearing pantalones, point to them. Point to your camisa, your shirt. Point to your cinturón. Do you have a cinturón? Your belt. What else are we wearing? Un abrigo. ¿Qué significa? A jacket. Botas. Anybody wearing botas? It's either May or June by the time you guys are seeing this. Guantes. ¿Dónde van guantes? En our manos, ¿sí? Now that it's warmer weather, what are you wearing instead of pantalones? Pantalones cortos, sí. ¿Y qué llevamos en nuestra cabeza? What do we wear on our heads? Un gorro. Sí, buen trabajo. If you're a girl, you might be wearing this. What is it? Una falda. Buen trabajo, clase. Now vamos a repasar las cosas en la clase with the articles. If it ends with a O, it's going to be L. If it ends with an A, it's going to be A. If it's something like this, papel, we just memorize it. El papel. La ventana. La silla. La mesa. El borrador. El cuaderno. El escritorio. La pluma. El lápiz. La puerta. El libro. Y las tijeras. Buen trabajo. ¿Qué comen ustedes? Yo como sándwiches. Yo como bananas o plátanos. Yo como vegetales y carne y pan. Yo bebo leche y yo como papas y pollo. ¿Y cómo se dice cheese? If you want an hamburguesa con queso. And let's see, juice, jugo, and water. Yo tengo mi agua aquí. Buen trabajo. All right, los lugares. ¿A dónde van ustedes? Voy al campo. Granja. Restaurante. Ciudad. Escuela. Biblioteca. Museo. Zoológico. Parque. Apartamento. Iglesia. Tienda. Casa. Cine. And la playa. That was very fast. I know if I went too fast for you and you weren't able to keep up, do not worry about it. You guys are doing such a good job. You guys have memorized so many words. I'm amazed. All right, vamos a repasar los animales. All right, if you have a perro, raise your hand. If you have a gato, raise your hand. If you have a ave or pájaro, raise your hand. What about a pez? Yo tengo un pez. I'll show you a picture of him someday. If you have a pato, raise your hand. ¿Qué es esto? Una oveja. Oh, where'd it go? Un puerco. But everything's flipped around here. Here we go. Un oso. If you have a pet oso, raise your hand. Maybe not a real one, maybe a fake one. Elefante. Una vaca. Maybe you live on a granja and you have vacas. That would be so cool. Or caballos. Do you live on a granja and have caballos? Rana. Gallina. Mi padre, he has gallinas. Tortugas. I don't think I've ever owned a tortuga. Dinosaurio. Does anybody have a dinosaur? I have a dinosaur. And mariposa. Buen trabajo. All right, now we're going to review our casa. Cosas en la casa. Bedroom is dormitorio. The glass is vaso. Kitchen is cocina. House is casa. A bed is a cama. Towel is toalla. Bathroom is baño. Living room is sala. The stove is an estufa. Television is televisión. Lamp is lámpara. And telephone is teléfono. This is an old looking telephone. You probably don't even know what that is. Teléfono. All right, so what we're going to do is, for the first time ever, we're going to play bingo, and you guys are going to be needing to pause this video. You should have two things. One of them is going to look like this. It's a loteria board, a bingo board. And the other thing is going to be this. So what you'll first do is you're going to pause this video and cut out each square. When you are done with that, you can resume this video. All right, I'm assuming you've cut out each square into these little square cards. Then what you're going to do is in the middle of your board, you're going to write the word gratis or free. This is what my board looks like. It says gratis, and you can write it however you want, G-R-A-T-I-S. That means free space. All right, when you're done with that and you have these, you are only gonna be able to stick 8 cards on there, but you have 12, which means 4 of them are not gonna make it onto your board. Whatever you wanna do with the 4 left over is up to you. I don't know why I just saved mine, or you can throw them in the garbage. It doesn't matter, but you want to take your cards and shuffle them really good, and you wanna make sure nothing is in a set pattern, because every one of your boards needs to look different from your partners, because we're gonna play bingo, so everybody needs to have a different kind of board. All right, so once you're done with that, you need a glue stick, and you are going to glue 8 random ones onto your bingo board. Nobody should have a bingo board that looks the same, okay? Obviously, some of you guys might get the same 8, but don't worry if it's got the same 8 or whatever. It needs to be in a different pattern. So this is what mine looks like. Don't make yours look just like mine, because who knows if we're gonna win or if I'm gonna win. I'll try to win too. All right, once you are done pasting, you're gonna glue, take your glue stick, you're gonna glue the back of your picture, and you're going to paste it onto any spot here, anywhere you want. When you are done with filling in your 8 pictures, any pictures from your pile, glued into any of the 8 spots, it doesn't matter. When you're done, when everybody's done, then you can unpause this video and we will start playing bingo, or in Spanish, as they say, loteria. Okay, hopefully you're back and you have your loteria board. Are we ready? Now I know I won't be able to see the results, but maybe your teacher will tell me about it. All right, so when you are done with that, you should get these little slips of paper. Maybe yours are blue, maybe yours are a different color. I'm gonna use these little blue pieces. And when I call a word, you're going to cover up the piece on your board. So I'm shuffling these. Whoever gets 3 in a row across, 3 in a row up and down, or 3 diagonally, just 3, you're going to say loteria, and you'll be the first winner. After that, don't clear your boards. We'll play blackout. We'll cover your whole board. All right, so are we ready? The first one is estufa. Estufa. So on your loteria board, if you have estufa, you're gonna cover it up. I don't have estufa, okay? Next is toalla. Toalla. I do have toalla, so I'm gonna take my piece here and I'm gonna cover it just like that. All right, next is cama. Cama. Maybe you already have a bingo. Oh, and you can cover your gratis spot. So you might already have a loteria because you're covering your gratis spot. All right, I covered comma. I don't have 3 in a row yet. Okay, next. Casa. Casa. And I have a loteria. Yay! So I have 3 diagonally. All right, now I'm gonna leave the pieces on my board and we're gonna play blackout. Blackout is where you have to cover every single one of your pictures. All right, the next one is sala. Sala, and I don't have a sala on here. Next is baño. Baño, I don't have baño on my board either, oh no. Does anybody have a blackout yet? Cocina. Cocina. All right, I've got cocina. Next is televisión. Televisión. I have another loteria, but it doesn't matter because now we're playing blackout. All right, vaso. Vaso. Does anybody have a blackout yet? If you do, you can pause this video and give each other high fives. Teléfono. Teléfono. Dormitorio. Dormitorio. Oh, I think I would have had a blackout, but I forgot to cover up cama. Oh, and the last one is lámpara. Lámpara. Buen trabajo, clase. I hope you had fun playing loteria with me. You can end this and play it with your teacher as many times as you guys want. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you've learned lots of Spanish. It's been so much fun. I'll see you guys later. Hasta luego.